Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, really not a beautiful chart, but the price has reacted now a couple of times, a few times actually, also before, obviously here in February, to this support area between 1790 and $2,100. So that first attempt here, or that last attempt from the 28th of February low, was not successful. It was a three-wave move up. Clearly, a lot of people got bullish there because of the announcement by Donald Trump. It ended as a three-wave move up, which is what news-related rallies often do in crypto. And then price was driven down again, catching out, all these stops below that level. And now we try to recover again. So again, I haven't given up on the bullish potential for Ethereum. So I'm still generally looking for higher prices. So with that five-wave move up that we've seen from the last low, I can get a micro five-wave move up from the swing low from Tuesday. I'm looking for higher short term. We'll see if it can form a larger five-wave pattern. For now, this is not terrible high confidence that really all of this fourth wave correction that we discussed, and in the last few days, I covered the daily chart. So feel free to check these videos out for larger context. But what I need to see is a break above is it the Monday high or Sunday? Okay, Sunday high actually. Need to get a break above that 2,560 level for more confirmation. It would at least help us to break out of this downward structure. Yeah, it would be, it would mean taking out a previous swing high, which is quite relevant. Seems like, and this is why we use these resistance areas. So as I said to you, a break above 2,267 would be an early indication a low is in. Whenever I see, first of all, a five-wave move up approaching resistance, and then it's accelerating into resistance, that's typically a good indication that it will break above. So we'll see if that actually happens. So for now, I'm tracking this five-wave move up, which should lead to a break above the Sunday high. If successful, this would be further evidence that a low is in. So because of a five-wave move up, I now lean higher. I lean towards the idea that a low has actually formed. So what do we now need to be watching for? As I said, to keep this alive, obviously the Tuesday low needs to hold. We don't really have a lot of stuff to work with in this structure, but I think what is going to be important today is that the market does hold above the Tuesday low. So that would be a key level. I don't really see enough structure to add micro support, Fibonacci support or anything. Surely it could be that this was another 1-2 setup. We're now starting a third wave, but that's very, very small. Then again, barely existing and really non-existent this wave too. So we'll see. This is only the shorter time frame anyway. Again, what I really want to see is a break above the Sunday high for further evidence. And if we do that, then we're far away from really confirming a major low, but that at least allows us to focus on the larger resistance area up here, these breakout levels that we talked about also before here, this February range high from early February, this swing high at 2,920. There are two key levels that will then need to be broken by the bulls. So they will then become the next objectives for the bulls to be broken above. So we've got 2,895 and 2,920 as next upside levels. Yeah? But as you can see, the move that is happening from the lows is really not significant enough. This could easily still break down. So I cannot rule out another low. This remains a possibility until we get a five-wave move up that is large enough to really reduce probabilities for another low. This could simply be, again, I don't know, a 1-2 setup to the downside, essentially, right? So we keep an open mind here at the moment regarding the possibility for another low. On the micro level, really, it's that 2,267 level that needs to be broken. Then the last swing high from Sunday, and then we can shift the focus towards this broader resistance area that keeps the price below the February highs. Overall, not much more to add. Really insignificant price action from the lows, but we'll see how today develops. Seems to be a friendly start to the day, so we'll see how the US session unfolds, which could be quite positive actually, given what I see on the charts. But hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in learning more, going beyond the basics, check out the MCO membership. You will find the links in the description. Thank you very much. Bye bye.